Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom, and today I want to talk about this stuff, wild arugula. So the thing about wild arugula, and I'll show it to you in the ground in a second, it's a little more peppery than the regular arugula, but the nice thing about it is it just keeps growing all summer long. It'll get flowers, it'll put down more seed, it'll start seeding in. It can become a little weedy, but you can forage around your yard and pull it out and use it in a salad. So the things that I like to use it in are, I mix it with regular greens. It's amazing in watermelon salad. It's great in omelets. It's also good on pizza, and it does hold up to a little bit of cooking. So wild arugula is a fantastic plant. So unlike some of the other arugulas, this wild arugula does not really bolt and stop growing. It just keeps going and going. It will flower. You'll get more seeds. Here's the seed pods here. And the little seeds will drop out and create more arugula. So it's a nice plant to have. It's a little more peppery than the regular arugula, certainly, but I love it. I love it in the garden. It's really great. So there you have it, Diplotaxis tenuifolia, wild arugula, certainly different than some of the other arugulas you may buy from seed, but look for it, grow it, super easy, super wonderful to have in the garden. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.